In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip image in Canva. If you've ever needed to mirror a product photo, correct a selfie, or create a symmetrical layout, flipping an image in Canva is quick and easy, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Start by opening your design in the Canva editor. You want to be inside the editing workspace where your canvas and layers are visible, not just on the home dashboard. Once your design is open, click directly on the image you want to flip. You'll know it's selected when you see a bounding box with handles around it. If you accidentally click the background or another element, just try again until that box appears. This confirms Canva is targeting the exact image you intend to flip. Now, look toward the top of the editor for the toolbar. When an image is selected, Canva updates this bar to show relevant options like edit photo, crop, and more. Among these controls, you'll find the flip button. Go ahead and click flip. You'll see two choices, flip horizontal and flip vertical. Choose flip horizontal to mirror the image from left to right. This is perfect for creating a mirrored effect or adjusting the direction your subject is facing to better suit the layout of your design. If you need the image to appear as if it's turned upside down, choose flip vertical. That flips it top to bottom, which can be useful for reflections, abstract graphics, or when the composition looks more balanced that way. After flipping, take a moment to adjust the image's position. Flipping won't change the size or quality, but it can shift the visual balance of your layout. Drag the image to recenter it, align it with other elements, or use the edges and corner handles to fine-tune its placement within a frame or grid. Keep an eye on Canva's smart guides and snap lines to help you line things up neatly. If you're working with overlapping elements, check that your flipped image still layers correctly and doesn't cover anything important. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.